My name is Bronisław Kubel. I'm the founder of the STr Shipping and Trading Company. Our company was founded in 1988, and its initial operation consisted of the metallization of large steel structures. The second branch of the operations was the repair of the vessels and supply of the ship's spare parts. In 1988, we initiated the production of metal elements. This was a time when a dynamic growth of the company has begun. The STr company has currently over 20 CNC machines. Those include lathes, milling machines, as well as flame cutting machines. In the span of one day, we make anywhere from a few hundred to several thousand workpieces, usually made out of stainless steel. We repair and supply vessels, with success for 30 years. Nothing is impossible for us. I have been working for the STr company for 20 years. We value quality and reliability. Automated production allows us to complete even the most complicated orders in a short time. I have been working for the STr company for over 20 years. At the company, we introduce new technologies. We develop and reach higher levels of technology. An integrated system of creating documentation allows us to make use of the entire production potential. Thanks to a coordinate measuring machine as well as a special microscope, we are able to measure the most complicated workpieces. STr is a company that is willing to share its knowledge. We ensure safe and well-organized packaging and logistical processes. We love integration. The STr football team consists of true winners. We are a conscious and stable family-owned company. It is created and developed by the next generations. An effective management of human, financial, and material resources, as well as information, are the basic elements of managing our company. We create the well-harmonized team. The customer is the most important to us. This is why the employees of our sales department use their best efforts to meet the requirements of the customer through direct contact and professional service. The company has been developing very dynamically for the last few years. We are planning further increase in our production, which will result in more investments. We want to construct new halls and robotize our processes.